I am Lorena Ramirez.
And this is Luis Salazar.
Hi, this is Sarita Singh.
And I'm Kelly Clark, and this is America's ROC News.
Can you tell us how do you feel communication between the ROC and your role is going?
RCPMs could be more standardized with the process. Some RCPMs are great in scheduling phone meetings, whereas some RCPMs prefer to communicate via email. Also, it's important to receive rationale on the implementation of trial strategies. For example, it's important we know that we are working towards, for example, is a database log for publication or for a CSR for filing, or instead of just sending an amendment along, provide some of the key changes to the protocol along with amendment. Please add the context behind the document. Also, I would like to receive more communication relevant to my role as CRM.
It is satisfactory. I would benefit from receiving short and bulleted emails from the ROC. They tend to be too long and I worry important actions or information will get buried in my email. I do find the communications template very helpful since they help me prioritize my tasks, but the RCPMs could be more consistent in their communication. For example, applying a consistent approach for sending urgent requests. As a CRA, I may not be able to get to my email when I'm at the site, so sometimes if it's truly urgent, I would encourage them to call me. We definitely would benefit from some more phone interaction.
Implementation has improved a lot over time. However, there is still room for improvement. I would like to receive more need-to-know information for my role instead of being copies in emails which are not applicable to the COM role. We are receiving many emails, so if I could receive more concise, action-oriented requests that are specific to my role, it would be most appreciated.
Thanks. And as a ROC organization, how can we support you in being inspection ready?
It's always helpful to share best practices and trends related to quality and compliance. The ROC can leverage the contacts and best practices they have with other countries and regions to better identify risks and share with local teams. Having a standardized protocol documents tracker is also important.
Whoa. Provide a list of trial-level regulatory documents. I don't need a list of every document that is in TMF, but it would be helpful to know the protocol versions, the main consents, the procedure manual versions, investigative brochure versions issued along the course of the trial. You know, the big things. Especially if I take on a new site or a new trial, I need to know the heavy-hitter documents that were released. Also, it's important to maintain a list of required trainings for the protocol, training curriculum of sorts. I need a one-stop shop for finding study documents and protocol-specific training curriculum within an organized repository. Also, I think we would need a audit-ready guidelines of some sort. I think that would be enough for now.
Creation and maintenance of protocol documents tracker is very important for consent sites. I really like that the ROC is providing this list. Thank you so much. Also, we are counting on the RCPM to advocate for us with the CTTs and vendors in receiving documents in a timely way so we can submit them to our ethics committees and regulatory agencies as quickly as possible. Every document counts and we need to receive them quickly to remain competitive.
So my question to you is, which practices currently used by the ROC do you feel are going well?
We appreciate receiving regional, country, and site-level enrollment, site-ready data-related metrics. This is key. Sometimes the amount of spreadsheets we receive is overwhelming, so if we could find more one-step, more concise metrics, it would be helped a lot. Additionally, I would say that I have close contact with most of my RCPMs.
It is clear RCPMs are committed and we are developing good relationships with them. It is important to us that the RCPMs are available and responsive to our requests. The RCPMs provide us with the expected guidance and support, and their willingness to improve is highly evident. The RCPMs are always open to our feedback and implementing our ideas.
I really appreciate the particular meeting organized by our RCPM. She helped align all the comms regarding drug supplies reconciliation memo. Having such meetings will help us ensure we are doing what is required, and it promotes understanding and thus compliance.
So tell me, what can the ROC do specifically to improve its services to you within the country?
I think it's very important to understand that the CRM role is strategic, After all, we are liaising with medical affairs and key investigators in the country, so it's crucial we understand the strategic vision of the protocol program. For example, what's the rationale behind decisions? If understand the rationale behind the requests or decisions, we can better support our sites and CRAs and drive the trials in our countries.
Urgent emails are overused. Let's have more conversations when the situation is urgent, or even topic-specific meetings if required. Also, we often spend more time putting out fires than preventing them. So if the RCPMs can help us foresee and mitigate risks, we would be in a better position and ready to tackle the issues when they arise.
Again, I think it's necessary to continuously clarify role expectations and establish communications channels up front.
So how would you describe being a partner of choice? What does a partner of choice mean to you?
A partner of choice is the way we can work together from our own roles and responsibilities and as a team to reach a common goal, that is, to be success in each of our studies.
For me, a partner of choice is your go-to person or team. I would say that is the person or group that has the knowledge and ability to provide the support needed to successfully perform a task or process. It's that group of people that will do the best job possible to meet the goal.
A partner of choice, in general, is someone or a group I prefer to collaborate with. A partner of choice is a premier customer, focused individual or team who delivers high quality, highly relevant, and timely services or products. A partner of choice is someone I want to collaborate with in order to meet a common goal. As a country, we too want to be a partner of choice. So if we all think in these terms, imagine the possibilities. A partner of choice is also a team or individual who is constantly striving to improve. The fact that the ROC asked for our feedback tells me that you are committed to being a partner of choice, and for that reason, we are very optimistic we'll do great things. Thank you.
And who's your favorite RCPM?
Richard Reyes.